Hi, so I'm going to show you how we go about assembling our 3D masks. The first thing we do is we sanitize all the little pieces. So we do that in kind of bulk batches. So we have all of our filter holders we'd have sanitized. We also make sure our ear gears were sanitized. We do those in bulk batches. We can put them in sanitized plastic bins that we can then put a cover on. And then we sanitize the mask. Okay. Once the mask is sanitized, the next thing it's ready for is the rubber gasket. With this particular 1/4 inch kind of D-shaped window seal, it needs about just a little over 14 inches. Sometimes it takes a little less, sometimes it takes a little more. So we make a little line on this table to kind of help us gauge the different materials. Okay, now we're going to put the rubber all around the outside first. It has to be tricky because the adhesive sticks to the gloves. Just start down here. And slowly make your way around. It's okay if you get just a little bit of the rubber gasket around the outside because that will help with making a proper seal. The nose is kind of just takes a little bit of finagling. Usually use my thumb and hold it there while I make my way around. And you can see there's just a teeny little smidge left. I have a pair of scissors that I pretty much only use now to trim this material because it gets so sticky. I'm going to trim just the smidge that I need. Place it down there. Sometimes it's nice just for a proper seal to have your hot glue gun at the ready and to add just a teeny little dot right down here to ensure that that bottom piece doesn't stick up. And I go around and I press it down just to ensure the adhesive is sticking. Now, next thing you need to do is we add one more piece here as kind of an extra support for the nose and to adjust for anyone's different shaped nose. It's usually just about, maybe, I would say about 3.5 inches. Again, you just kind of, I fold it first to get a little crease so I know where I'm going to stick it. This does get tricky because you really want this to stick, get as close to the rubber without touching the other rubber gasket because otherwise it can come loose. So you just kind of want to place it down there. Again, sometimes your glove gets stuck. Okay, and I push again on the nose to get a nice firm contact, and that's what you do with that. The last step, I'll show you in just a minute, is how you attach the elastic.